Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple 3 settings that can help you to boost your FPS and performance in gaming. So first we have to come over into a start icon, click on the right mouse button, then go for settings. After that you just need to come over into the privacy and security and then go for Windows security. And then you just need to go for device security. And from here you just need to click on core isolation details and going to turn this off. Memory integrity over here. After that you need to close it everything, and now you need to search for turn Windows feature on or off. Click on these settings and going to find out virtual machine platform. As you can see, we got the virtual machine platform. We're going to uncheck it, click OK. As you can see, the applying changes and now they are going to restart now. So I'm going to restart right now. We have lots of things to do. So the second we can do is we will going to disable the Hyper-V, because some of older version of computers or some of limited RAM computers have facing issues to play performance issues in gaming. So for that we're going to come over and do the search option, going to another time type turn Windows feature on or off and going to turn off Hyper-V. As you can see, my computer is turned it off. So in your computer, if it's turning on, then you just simply turn it off and then click OK. And that's it. After the third step will be the neglect algorithm. For that, what you can do, we just need to type here the CMD. And now here we're going to type ipconfig. Click enter, and as you can see in my computer there is only Ethernet adapter. So from here you just need to be sure that you got this default gateway. So you just need to leave it right now, and then you just need to search over here called registry editor. Click on right mouse button, click yes. And now what you can do, we just need to go for the HQ local machine. We're going to open it, then we'll go for the system over here, going to open the system over here. And then we just need to look for current control set. Going to open it, and then we just need to go for the services, and from here we just need to find out TCP. So we need to search over here TCP, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here is the TCP. So we're going to open it and then go for the parameters over here, and after that here we will going to find for interfaces. So we're going to open it, and from here into the interfaces, as you can see there is a 3 option over here. So we just need to click all of them to find out this gateway call, and from here in this option I will get the DCP IP address. So now what we're going to do, into the DCP IP address we're going to come over into the blank space, click on new and going to click on DO32 with value, and here we're going to type TCP ACK FREQUENCY frequency and click enter, and we will give them the value 1 and then click OK. And now we will going to create another DO32 with value, and now we're going to name it as TCPNO delay and click enter. And now we will going to give the value over here 1 and then click OK. And that's it. That's the 3 settings that can help you to boost your FPS and performance in the gaming. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.